Hello, good morning, and Happy New Year. Welcome to our online class. Let's have a short review for the vocabulary words that we learned last month. So let me share my screen. Okay, let's read fireplace, manger, ornaments, snowflake, reindeer, wreath, sleigh, angel. Let's read once more. Fireplace, manger, ornaments, snowflake, reindeer, wreath, sleigh, angel. Today we're going to learn about volcano. Do you have any idea of volcano? Okay, a volcano is a hill or a mountain. Another definition, it's a vent in the crust of the earth or another planet from which usually molten or hot rock. Okay, so that's a volcano. So today I'm going to share picture and we will also learn about new words about volcano, the nature of volcano. So let me share my screen again. Okay. Say the word volcano. Okay. Here, the first word that we're going to learn about volcano is the word explode. Explode means to burst forth with sudden noise from internal energy. Explode. The second one is lava. A lava is a molten rock that issues from volcanoes. So this one, the color orange, these are lava, okay? Next is crater. Crater is the mouth or the bowl-shaped opening around the volcano. So this one is the crater. Next is extinct. This extinct means no longer burning. That means this volcano is not active. It's dead. Okay, let's learn sentences from this word active vocabularies. Okay, we have here the volcano exploded last night. Okay, I used the word exploded. I added D because it's past tense. We will not say explode because the action took place last night. So we will say the volcano exploded last night. Second, most of the volcanoes in Thailand are extinct. Third, the lava that comes out from the crater of the volcano is extremely hot. Four, she went to the edge of the crater. So the underlined words in the sentence, these are the words that I want you to use also in a sentence from the picture, but I want you to make your own sentence. So you look at the picture and make your own sentence using the vocabulary words that we'll learn this morning. So that's all, and see you tomorrow.